Okay, we've got our block. We put some glue on that, so that'll dry and set up. So what I want to check now is, I took a little more out down in here, so the mouth will open up a little wider. I've attached the spring and the string, so we can check our alignment with that. So we're going to hook our spring up. So I think we're going to be okay with the mouth now. We want to screw the mouth back onto our hinge. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Okay. Yeah, we got good play with the mouth now, so I think we're okay. I might take a little more off in here. That's pretty good there. We want to check our alignment with our string. So we're going to feed the string down through the neck. And then we're going to take our 1/2 inch dowel and place it in here where it goes. I think we're going to be okay. And make sure we don't have too much tension on our string. So we got the spring attached to the top of the head. We got our dowel in here. The string goes up and over top the dowel, down through the neck. And we got good play with that. So that's going to work out good. So what we'll do is we're going to take the dowel and we're going to glue the dowel in so it doesn't move on us. And then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.